What's up, guys? I want to show you guys on how you can easily create your live trading account on P Prime. Either you are beginner or you are advanced trader. Make sure you guys just make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. I'll show you step by step on how you can easily either a cent account, either a live standard account. It's the same thing, all right? And make sure you guys just make sure to use the link below to register with with this particular broker P Prime down below this video, or you can just take the pin comment to get the link to register. And make sure you guys just join my Telegram group to access my free signal, free update to start making money forex trading. So let's jump into the video right now. It's that simple. So if you want to just create an account, it's very simple. Just come to this area, or you can come to accounts area. It's the same thing. You can just click on this open account. Then I will show you step by step. All right, then you need to just log in. So this is live account, this is demo account. It's the same thing, it's the same process with demo and live account. It's the same thing. I can even show you the live demonstration because I have already have an account already. All right, I have already have account already. This is my live account, but I just want to show you the demonstration. It's either demo account or or live account. Is the same process. You come to this account area, make sure you come to open account. This is open account here. Then this is live account. Why this one is demo account? I've already have a live standard account already, but I just want to show you a demonstration, either a cent account or a live account. It's the same thing. So you come to this demo account as but if your own, you want to do your own, make sure you click on this live account. But I just want to show a demonstration like tutorial video. It's the same, no any differences. Click on this demo. Let's say you want to create a live account as an example. You come to this area. Either you want this one, we have MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4 here. It's the same thing, it's that simple and easy. The right now here we have standard account. We have but here let me just show you on the live account for cents. Let's say you want to create a cent account as well. The same thing. This is your live account. This is your MT5. All right. If you want this, we have different type of account, either standard, whatever. The same thing. You come to this area. If you want to create a cent account, it's the same thing. You come to standard. This is a cent account. This one is this account has USC. USC is cent account. Then click on this submit to create a cent account. If you want to create a live account as well, you come to live here. You come to this area. You click on this. Make sure it's MT5. You change this to standard. This is standard account. Then this one is USD. Then you click on submit. It's that simple to create your own live account. It's that simple. But then right now, let me just show you guys on how to demonstrate on demo. As an example, let's see you are about to create a live account. You come to this MT5. Then you come to standard. Make sure it's standard account. Then USD. Then the leverage. Let's say 1.5, or you can even change the leverage to 1.2 as a beginner. You can change it to 1.2. Then click on this submit. Account balance, you can just fund it, let's say with $1,000 as an example. This one is just demo for you to practice. But I've already shown how to create your live. It's the same process. Just make sure to, it's that same. Then you click on submit. Then they will send a details to your email address to get the demo account. It's been sent to your email account, everything. So right now, so I can just go to my email to check if they have sent. And this is your right. Let me just show you. All right, this is my email. They have sent it to my email. This is just a demo, so I can even easily just copy all this one to log into my MT5 so I can show you everything step by step. So I can even copy it and just show you right now. So let me just show you right now to just log into your it's the same thing with your live account and everything. It's that simple. So let me just show you. So just make sure this is just a demo account. So I'll just, this is your password given to you, this is your server, this is your number. So let me just go back and do that on my phone so that I can show you to you right away, guys. Right now, you need to just come to your Play Store and type in MT5 to download it to your phone. Just make sure to click on install, then you install it. All right, let me just kindly do right now. Right now, I've already installed it. This I can just log into your account on MT5. You just open it, come to your Play Store, or just click on accept. And this one is just a demo one, but I don't need this one. The one I need is to just go to your email address. Let me just come here. I'm done with this one. So this is the account. This is demo account. Nothing about this one. So just come to copy the number that was sent to you to your email address. It's the same thing you are going to use if you want to go for either live account. Okay, sorry. You need to just make sure to find the server first. The server of your PU Prime. You copy it. Then you go back to your this one. You paste. You search. Can you see this is the, can you see PU Prime? Then you search it. The next step right now is to just go and copy the account number and the password given to you to your email address. So it's okay. Let me just go back. I'll copy the this is the account number sent to me to my email. This is not my live account. Don't think you can't. This is just a practicing. It's the same thing you're going to use to log into your account. Then you're gonna come to you're gonna come to the password given to you. You can even change the password, but this one is just a random one. It's a demo, not a live account for you. So this is the same way you are going to use to log in. So I've already done with everything. I'll not try to click on login right now into my PU Prime. It's loading right now. Right now, just allow it to load up a little bit. It's loading. Can you see I have a $1,000 there already right now? So if you want to start trading, just come to your quotes or your chart. This is the chart given to you. This is the and these are the things you can start doing here. It's very, very simple and easy strategy. You can add SA. If you want to add any pair, you can add, let's say, SAUSD. You can just come to commodities here to ask, let's say you want to add gold. Just say SAUSD. This is the gold. You add it. Another one, if you want to add forex pair, let me just go back to forex pair. You come to the plus sign again to add it. It's very simple. Then you this is the forex pair. You can add GBP, let's say euro USD. Right, this is euro USD. You mark it X. Then if you want to add GBP JPY, it's also the same thing. GBP this is GBP JPY. You can also add this one. Then GBP USD. Right, so these are the thing X. So you're good to go. These are, then you can even delete all this one if you don't like it. Just click on this plus sign and delete the ones you don't like. I can just select, I can just say select all. So all the one I just have right now, just leave them. This is the one I just untick, tick them, because I want my sum to be clear. SAUSD. I will just delete this one. So these are the one I just left. All this one. So I'm good. So if I want to, and then let me just add BTC, cryptocurrency. Let me just add cryptocurrency. This is crypto. I normally trade Bitcoin as well. I like to trade Bitcoin. All right, I just say BTC USD. Right, BTC USD. This one, I'm done. So it's very, very simple. So if you want to start trading, just make sure to do your analysis. Then you start trading. It's that simple. Then let's say I want to trade, because right now the market has closed. I can just go for BTC. It's the same thing. You click on charts. You check it, what Bitcoin is doing right now. Do you want to go for long? If you want to trade any coin, you can just open a new chart. Then you select your leverage as a beginner. Then you buy limits. Let's say you want to buy at 250. I want to buy at 250. My TP 108. It's that simple. All right, I will just like then my stop loss is 107. It's that simple. I'm done. So this is just wait for the market to come to your entry. I'll teach you how to be trading here. It's very simple and easy. It's very, very simple and easy strategy. Thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and share.